Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to open a LendingClub Bank account online. Are you looking to open a LendingClub Bank account? Well, here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you started in just a few minutes. The first step is to visit the website. So go to lendingclub.com and click open an account. Next step is to choose your account type. Now you gotta decide whether you want a checking account, a savings account, or both. Next is to enter your information. So go ahead and fill in your personal details, your full name, address, email, and of course your social security number. Next is to review and submit. So check the terms and conditions, make sure you read that carefully, and then submit your application. Final step is to get approved and fund your account. Now once you're approved, LendingClub will give you your account details, and you can fund your account immediately by linking another bank. And that's it. Your new LendingClub bank account is ready for use. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up and verify your identity so that your account is fully secured. So stay tuned to that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.